All right, 390 Wagon Master here. I put this Cobra 148 up on the CB radio garage sale last week, and I have a gentleman that's interested in it. So before I box this up, I would like to make this video so I can show the prospective buyer what this radio is about, what he's getting a little more up close. So physically, it's in pretty good shape. They just Velcroed the frequency counter on. Front seems to be in, it looks in pretty good shape. However, I did notice this dimple here and something like right there. But all the writing's intact, and it seems to be in good order. All right. So this is a counter, not a VFO/UFO. The channel or the bands or the modifications were done here and here. Counter never jives with this exactly. I don't know if that's because of this counter. I do remember that you go to AM and sideband on some radios back in the day, and they differed, and I'm just not that versed in these, so I don't know what's going on. I don't know if there's a dip or pin or something that needs to be changed, or this is just the way these go. So somebody can school me on that. I'm just not a 148 person. All the segments in the LED works. All these switches are nice and tight, not sloppy. I mean, I have seen a lot of Cobras that are sloppy. These are actually very nice and tight, like really tight. What else? The microphone does not come with it. This microphone is like really, really dead. The Element's hating it in here, so I'm not going to include this. This is just kind of a bench mic. Happens to be a 5-pin mic. It's like the only one I have. The radio puts out 3 watts on AM. And on sideband, it will you get about 12 or 14. On AM, 3 watts to just a hair over 4. I believe he ran an amplifier with this. This is from a Good Buddies collection who is no longer with us. We miss you, Keith. He was pretty meticulous with his radio gear, but he was a long-haul trucker, and this rode in with him for a while. Build date on this is June of 1997, so it is a Ranger board. As far as I can tell inside, nothing's missing. Generally, Keith would have not let somebody ultra butcher a radio. He was really known for actually having pretty nice, clean gear. I've done a couple things to this since I have taken possession of this. I changed the meter. The OEM meter was frozen, and the dreaded dead unit in meter with a burned out light. So anyway, so we replaced that. I replaced the power receptacle in the back as the center pin is missing. So got that taken care of. I ran this on my patio during the summer, and it sounded great. People liked it. I got a lot of good audio reports from it. I don't know about the frequency counter. I'm not really sure why that does that, but anyway, I'm not asking really an arm and a leg for it. So anyway, if the prospective buyer happens to not want this anymore, then I will make note of that down in the description box, and I'm going to let you know whether it's been sold or it's going back up for sale. So she's a pretty clean little 148. If you have any questions, give me a holler, and thanks for watching.